What if the next tool you discover could save you hours of work, tackle jobs you thought were impossible, and completely upgrade the way you work in today's video? We're counting down some of the newest and most impressive tools you can find on Amazon right now. Stay until the end, because the most impressive tool is still ahead. Let's get started. Number 1. Magnetic Induction Heater Tool. Removing rusty bolts and seized nuts can quickly become one of the most frustrating parts of any repair job. That's where the Magnetic Induction Heater Tool comes in. Instead of dealing with open flames or bulky heating equipment, this handheld powerhouse uses electromagnetic induction to generate targeted heat exactly where it's needed. With a powerful 1,000 watt output and 8 included coils, it can loosen stubborn hardware in seconds while reducing the risk of damaging surrounding components. Mechanics, fabricators, and DIY users will appreciate how much safer and cleaner this method is compared to traditional torches. 2. Saker Multi-Function Scribing Tool. Precision is everything when you're measuring, marking, or transferring dimensions. The Saker Multi-Function Scribing Tool combines several workshop essentials into one compact device that helps create accurate layout lines with ease. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, it's built to handle demanding job site conditions while maintaining reliable accuracy. The deep hole marking pencil allows users to reach places where ordinary pencils simply can't. Woodworkers, carpenters, remodelers, and DIY enthusiasts will appreciate the versatility of its measuring and marking capabilities. It simplifies repetitive layout work and reduces the chances of costly mistakes. Number 3. 3-in-1 Car Escape Tool. Most people never expect to face a vehicle emergency, but being prepared can make all the difference. This compact 3-in-1 car escape tool combines a window breaker, seatbelt cutter, and emergency flashlight into one portable device. Designed to stay within reach on your keychain, it provides quick access when every second counts. The hardened glass breaker can shatter side windows during emergencies, while the concealed blade safely cuts through jammed seatbelts. The integrated flashlight adds another layer of preparedness for nighttime breakdowns or emergency situations. Number 4. Sakerplus Portable Welding Machine. Welding equipment is becoming more portable than ever, and the Sakerplus Portable Welding Machine is a perfect example of that trend. This compact arc welder packs impressive performance into a lightweight package that can travel almost anywhere. Powered by advanced IGBT inverter technology, it delivers stable arc performance while helping improve welding consistency. Multiple current adjustment settings allow users to match power levels to different materials and applications. The included accessories, welding rods, helmet, and carrying case make it a complete ready-to-work package. Number 5. Heavy-Duty Heat Gun Kit. A quality heat gun can tackle countless projects, and this heavy-duty heat gun kit is built to do exactly that. Featuring dual temperature settings ranging from 572 to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, it provides the flexibility needed for a wide variety of tasks. Whether you're shrinking tubing, stripping paint, softening adhesives, crafting with resin, or working on electronics, this tool delivers reliable heat exactly where it's required. The included nozzle attachments help focus airflow for greater precision and efficiency. Number 6. 22-in-1 Ratchet Screwdriver Set. Sometimes the biggest challenge isn't the fastener itself, it's reaching it. This 22-in-1 Ratchet Screwdriver Set is designed specifically for tight spaces where traditional tools struggle. The compact ratcheting mechanism allows users to work efficiently with minimal hand movement, making repairs faster and less frustrating. Multiple bits provide compatibility with a wide range of screws and hardware. The included right angle capability adds even more flexibility for confined work areas. Number 7. Klein Tools Digital Angle Gauge. Achieving precise angles can make the difference between a professional-looking project and one that falls short. The Klein Tools Digital Angle Gauge provides highly accurate angle measurements for woodworking, construction, fabrication, and installation tasks. Its digital display delivers clear readings that eliminate guesswork and improve consistency. Capable of measuring both 0 to 90 and 180-degree ranges, it adapts to numerous applications. Strong magnetic mounting allows hands-free operation on metal surfaces, making setup fast and convenient. Master cordless screwdriver. Manual screwdriving can become tedious during larger projects, which is where the NEU Master cordless screwdriver shines. Powered by a rechargeable 4-volt battery, it delivers convenient assistance while remaining lightweight and easy to control. The pivoting handle allows users to switch between straight and pistol grip configurations, adapting to different working positions. Multiple torque settings help prevent over-tightening while providing better control across various materials. Number 9. Worx 4V Electric Screwdriver. Compact, practical, and surprisingly capable, the Worx 4V electric screwdriver is designed to simplify everyday fastening tasks. One standout feature is its screw holder system, which helps users position screws with one hand while operating the tool with the other. This added convenience can significantly improve efficiency during installations and assembly work. Its lightweight design makes it comfortable to use for extended periods without causing fatigue. The rechargeable battery provides dependable performance for routine household projects. Number 10. Car Detailing Cleaning Blowgun. Cleaning vehicle interiors thoroughly can be surprisingly difficult, especially when dirt hides in tight crevices and hard-to-reach areas. This car detailing blowgun uses powerful compressed air to blast away dust, debris, and contaminants with impressive effectiveness. Air vents, seat tracks, dashboards, cup holders, and carpets become much easier to clean. Professional detailers appreciate how quickly it speeds up interior restoration, while car enthusiasts enjoy achieving cleaner results at home. Number 11. Stand-up weed puller tool. Yard maintenance doesn't have to involve constant bending, kneeling, and back strain. This stand-up weed puller is designed to remove unwanted weeds while allowing users to remain comfortably upright. The 4-claw steel head grips weeds at the root level for more complete removal. An easy eject mechanism simplifies disposal without requiring users to touch the weeds directly. The long retractable handle improves comfort and accessibility for users of different heights. Number 12. Fanttik M10 ACE Cordless Angle Grinder. The Fanttik M10 ACE proves that compact tools can still deliver serious performance. This cordless mini angle grinder combines portability with cutting power, making it ideal for quick jobs and detailed work. A brushless motor helps maximize efficiency while extending tool life. Variable speed modes provide greater control across different materials and applications. The integrated LED display offers useful operating information, while safety features help improve user confidence. Drilling through wood is one thing, but concrete and masonry require a different level of capability. The GALAX Pro Hammer Drill combines standard drilling and hammer drilling functions into one versatile package. Powered by a robust 5-amp motor, it delivers the performance needed for demanding applications. Variable speed control provides flexibility across different materials and project requirements. The included accessory kit expands functionality right out of the box. Number 14. Cordless Leaf Blower. Outdoor cleanup becomes significantly easier with the help of a reliable cordless leaf blower. This lightweight model combines portability with impressive airflow performance, helping users clear leaves, dust, and debris quickly. 2-speed settings allow greater control, depending on the task at hand. The inclusion of 2 batteries extends runtime and reduces interruptions during larger cleanup sessions. Its cordless design eliminates the limitations of extension cords while providing greater freedom of movement. Fanttik Max GRABO Suction Lifter. At number 1 is a tool that feels like something from the future. The DEWALT 20V Max GRABO Suction Lifter is designed to help users lift and move heavy materials with greater control and confidence. Using powerful vacuum suction technology, it can handle loads up to 265 pounds, making it ideal for glass, tile, stone, drywall, and other large materials. The secure grip helps improve safety while reducing physical strain during transport and installation. Contractors and installers can benefit from faster handling and more efficient workflows. Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing tools, gadgets, and innovative products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.